Right guys, we asked to have a look at a Biasi boiler again, and it's absolutely freezing. Yeah. Anyway, let's start professional here. So, Biasi boiler, the pressure's okay, and it's flashing those two lights. Right, so we got no heating or hot water. So we're going to sort this one out, yeah? And diagnose it and hopefully repair it. Right guys, took that out and it's completely dry. So I guess we now know what the problem is, yeah?
You do. If you chuck heavy rubbish on the floor, chuck it on the floor, it doesn't matter.
No, it's not rubbish.
You know?
It's stores. Right. Put it back in. So let's sort that out. The burner's gone out again. The lights are flashing. But if you listen to it carefully, you can hear the gurgling in there. And you can come back to that. Oh, still no water coming through here. So let's put that back in. So it's not frozen outside because there's no water coming through this pipe anyway. So even if it's frozen outside, there should be some water in here. Right, the problem we've got is, can you see this here? It's clogged up. So, come on this side. I'm going to open it up, but I need to protect all this first. So I've got my trusty black bag. Does all the things. Get a black bag, covered it up. But before you do that now, I need to switch it off now. So I've got the black bag here. Right, so I've got the clip off. I'm expecting a lot of water, but maybe there's nothing in there. Oh, surprise. Nothing. You know why? Because it's all in there. It's all inside there. So I might have to take the fan out and put some water through there. Or I'm going to see if I can clean it from here. Right then, I'll clean that out. And hopefully the bowl is working safe and sound now. So I'll put this back in. Okay, I need some pliers. And that's it. Right, this is what the black bag was for. Don't make a mess now, Right. Do you see? I'm trying to protect that in case it goes onto the board or the pump. So, right then, I'm hoping. Now that I got that sorted, look what's happening here. Who's leaking? Where's that leaking from? P-trap. It looks like that. Must have been leaking for years.
About probably 10 years ago.
So it stopped slightly because this is loose. So somebody's probably opened that and never tightened properly. Yeah. It's a white cap. Okay, so you put the camera down and then tighten it up. Okay, right guys, sorted this one out. It's not gurgling anymore. Cleaned that out. Once I cleaned that up, guess what happened? The water started gushing from here. So what was happening, right? You know this white cap here? It was loose. So I tightened it and it looks okay now. No more water coming out of that. Right guys, simple fix that was. Oh, it's easy. As soon as it's gurgling, I noticed that the condenser's probably clogged up. Now it's really cold outside. Now because it's cold, I thought maybe the external pipe is frozen up, but it wasn't. Here's the recuperator, the fluid recuperator that was clogged up. So anyway, as you see in the video, I cleared it out and it's all working fine now. Now guys, if you got a broken down boiler, Birmingham, give me a call. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.